What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. It's your favorite girl, your favorite diva, A, and we are here to do some SHEIN slay. What's up, girl? Muffin wanted to come through too and say hi as well. This is Muffin number 2. I'm Muffin number 1. She just came in. Was you good while I was doing these try-ons? Was you being good while I was doing these try-ons? Was you doing good? Was you being good for me? Well, tell me. You gonna tell me? Was you being good? You gonna tell me? You gonna tell me? Yeah, okay, thank you. 1 kiss a day, I told you, just 1 kiss a day, okay? All right, was you being a good girl? Was you being a good little lady? Was you being a good little lady? A good little lady? She's a good little lady. She's such a sweet little girl, aren't you? Yeah, okay. So what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for coming through. I hope y'all all are having like a really good day, an amazing day when you're watching this video. When I tell you I'm tired, I'm tired. My back is hurting. The only thing that is tired and sore on me is my back. Other than that, I'm here. I tried on 12 outfits today, but 10 of them I'm going to be showing you guys. 2 of them I really wasn't too happy about, but you know, sometimes it could be a hit and sometimes it could definitely be a miss. But as you guys know, this video is being sponsored by SHEIN, where you can get the best of the best of the best for less. And girls, if I haven't already told y'all, when you find your favorite SHEIN shops, make sure you follow them on SHEIN, so that way every time they drop something new, have a clearance sale, a sale, or what have you, you'll be notified. As well as that, check the description box down below for all of my direct links to each outfit, along with that, a coupon code. So we just gonna get right into this in no particular order. No, I love SHEIN because you can get some really cute outfits for less. Us curvy plus size girls are here for it. So in no particular order, we're gonna just jump right into it. The first thing that I'm gonna grab is this dress. It's a red and white striped dress. I did get it in a 2X, but it wasn't fitting for me. Like, it really wasn't for me at all. When I put it on, the buttons were gapping like in certain areas of my chest area. The fabric was very thin. When I'm wearing a dress, I do like to have a thicker fabric so that way I'm not scared of the wind blowing it up. For the most part, cute, but it just wasn't satisfying on my body structure. Okay, so the first thing that I actually tried on was this pink and floral romper. Now y'all know I am not the romper type of girl. I did say I don't like jumpsuits. I don't like rompers. I don't like bodysuits. I don't like one pieces because I feel like when it's time to use the ladies room, I just want to go to the ladies room. I don't want to have to fight with any of my clothes and shapewear. But lately I have been in my romper and jumpsuit phase. So I will say this, I really do like this floral ditzy romper. It's super cute. It does zip up in the back, but here's the thing about it. You really don't need to unzipper it all the way to get it on. I think I unzippered it probably like 3/4 of the way, or excuse me, not even 1/4 of the way. I unzippered it like 1/4 of the way and then I just stepped right into it. I love that because I don't have to rely on anybody unzipping me or zipping me up. This is a simple, easy romper. There aren't any pockets, which is a Debbie Downer, but the fabric was great. I like the elastic at the waist part, but the one thing that I really do like a lot about the romper is the flowiness of it. The thighs are out, the thighs are breathing, the thighs are showing this summer. Girl, listen, do you see how roomy the leg part is? And the sleeves are just as roomy. But the one thing that I was kind of concerned about is the very deep V-neck plunge line. Like this V-neck is very, very deep, a little bit too deep for me. So for those of you who don't want all the girls out, you don't want them to fall out, I would suggest wearing like a camisole underneath it, a tank top, maybe even a sport tankini underneath it, so that way it just kind of blends into with the romper. But I like the romper a lot. It's super cute. It's very girly. It's giving brunch. It's giving girls day out. It's giving shopping, light lunch. And I really feel like you probably could wear this to work if you work at like an office, you're a receptionist or so forth, only because it's not really short. It's like right above the knee, and I think that's great tire for like the office, but it's really cute. The fabric is an A+. This is a really A+ romper. I like the fact that it has the buttons on the front. Even though there's nothing to button, it probably gives a little bit of aesthetic to the romper. The leg part is definitely giving thighs out this summer. Okay, baby, if you are a thick thigh girl and you know they save lives, get you this romper. I love this romper. It's very comfortable, and I did pair it with my pink flat that I also do have and gotten from SHEIN. I like the fact that they matched great. Those shoes are super comfortable, and the bow kind of like tied it all off together. Now moving right along is this white 2-piece pants and vest set. Girl, I really wanted to wear this. I don't know what it is. I love wearing white clothes. I don't care if it's after Labor Day or before, girl, I'm wearing white. But the one thing that I should have did was I should have gotten this 2-piece in a 3X. Girl, the boobs were squished in really tight, and so what I had to do was put a white tank top underneath because I didn't want you to be able to see like my shapewear right in the front where the vest and the actual waist separate. It's a really cute outfit. The quality of the fabric is A+. I really feel like this is cotton. The fact that they have deep pockets in this was also very, very appealing. And let's not forget the elastic ankles. I love the tapered elastic look at the bottom. This just came together so well. You can wear this with or without a blouse or shirt. It's up to you, but I really wish I would have gotten it in a size up. I like the fact that the buttons are not white. They're brown, kind of like separates the white, but this two-piece was made so great. I absolutely love it. I really wish I would have gotten it in a size bigger because I would have definitely been able to wear this, but it's a really cute two-piece. I was surprised. SHEIN really has stepped up their game with their items, and as you guys see, I did pair it with my purse that I got from winbagsru. I thought this purse went so well with the two-piece, and I'll link that down below with the coupon code, but they make amazing purses. This is all leather. It has a removable strap on the side. I do prefer to carry the speedy bags without the long strap. I just rather carry these bags just because of the way that they look, but this is one of their original grade bags, which means it's going to look 110% spot on to the authentic version. A really, really cute bag. Comes with a lock and key, gold tone hardware, and just a nice adjustable strap. So if you like to do like a crossbody or, you know, put them on your shoulder, you can do so. If you get tired of carrying it, then you can just pull out your strap and just put it on. And it also does have an inside pocket as well, so that way you can keep your items safe. But I thought this really went well with the actual two-piece because even though it's not white, it kind of brought out the two-piece a little bit more. I didn't want everything to be all white. I wanted to give myself a little bit of, you know, separation of color, but I will link everything down below for winbagsru. So the next item that I have on in this try on is these cute floral pants. Now I decided to get these in a size 3X only because I knew that the hips don't lie, okay? And I got thick thighs. All right, so I decided to get them in a bigger size up only because I was going for that baggy look, and I'm glad that I actually did. Now the one thing that I'm super surprised about these pants is when I looked at them on the website, I really felt like they were cotton. They looked like they were cotton, but they're actually like this sheer material with a very light lining inside. The lining is very comfortable. I don't find that you'll sweat in these, but I love the fact that these are super cute. They don't have pockets. I guess you can't win them all. They don't have pockets, but the elastic, super comfortable, nice thick elastic. And I love the pants at the ankles. The gathering at the ankles was the real reason why I got these pants. I thought the gathering at the ankles was super cute, and that was the reason for me getting these pants. Really comfortable, and the 3X fit perfect. Okay, so next item is this two-piece white short set. Now you remember how I had that other white set that I got from SHEIN like a few weeks back? The shorts were white, and then I had a white shirt with florals in the background, and I absolutely love that on myself, but the shorts were a little bit too tight and short. This time around I got an all white set. I got it in a 3X because, girl, listen, these thighs are definitely out here saving lives, but I didn't want it so tight. The cool thing though about this short set is the fabric is so lightweight, very breathable, and the shorts have a cotton lining underneath them, so that way you ain't got to worry about anything being see-through. Okay, I love that about these shorts. It also has a workable drawstring. There aren't any pockets. Like I said, you can't win them all, but I thought it was so cute together. I did pair it with one of my tank top or my tunics or whatever you want to call camisoles that I purchased from SHEIN some years ago and never really wore it outside, so I decided to wear it with this, and I thought it looked so cute. Kind of reminded me of like Miami style, boardwalk, beachy, kind of, you know, put together. And the shirt is a little bit see-through, which I really don't mind, but I just cuffed the sleeves up on the shirt and just rolled out. There is a breast pocket, it is a button up, and you will see that I also did take the actual camisole off and just wear the blouse and the shorts together and give it that all white look. Girl, listen, this is great for if you're going like on a cruise, if you're going on like an all white affair, you can definitely wear something like this. Jazz it up with like your accessories, your shoes, and your purse, and baby, do it like it shall be day. Okay, yes, I really do like this two-piece. The elastic waist was very comfortable. The whole thing I feel like came together so nice, and not only that, but it fit and it was just really comfortable. Very cute outfit. Now my very favorite item in this entire try on was this yellow pair of shorts. Now it gives the illusion of a skirt, but I absolutely love this outfit together. I love the elastic. I love that faux skirt look, but it's actually really short. The fabric was like this linen, which was like dead spot on perfect. And as you see, I did pair it with that white blouse, white crop top. I thought this was so cool, this pale yellow shorts. It's fun, it's flirty. This is definitely screaming having a good day, enjoying myself. I would probably want to wear this out on like an outing, a family outing with the grandkids, maybe to the zoo, to the park, you know what I'm saying, to the movies, hang out with your girlfriends in it. It's very casual, but it's very fun. And I like the fact that it gives you that illusion of a skirt, but it's really short. This comes in, these shorts come in multiple colors, like multiple colors. I did get it in a 2X and it fits so well, like so comfortable, easy to iron. As long as you have water and you're iron for some steam, then you're definitely going to get the wrinkles out of it, because girl, it did come wrinkled. It did come wrinkled AF, okay? It did take me a few minutes to iron it, but girl, I love this pale yellow. I know there are like 2 different color greens and there's a blue. I can't remember the other colors, but I really do like this and I definitely would suggest getting this. It's summer out, your thighs are breathing, the legs is breathing, you're looking cute, and it definitely comes up high enough to where you don't have to feel like, you know, self-conscious if you want to wear like a nice flowy crop top. Now I did pair, now the next thing is another pair of shorts that look like skirt as well. I paired it with this yellow tunic that I purchased from SHEIN probably like almost 3 summers ago and never wore it. I have like this drawer in my closet that I'd be forgetting about. But anyway, so I decided that I would put the yellow with it just to bring out the colors. I like the paper bag waist. Now normally I don't like the paper bag waist, but this one was really perfect. It was high enough, gave me like a high-waisted look, so that way I wasn't so uncomfortable with my midsection. And I like the fact that it is a pair of shorts, but can also give that illusion of a skirt. It's layered, so that's really a cute thing about it. I got it in a 2X as well. Very colorful. It was not wrinkled when it came at all. The fabric is like a cotton fabric, which was very pleasing. You know how I feel about fabric. I do think like these are great for like lunch date, chilling, errand running. The only thing I wish they had was a pocket. If this has some pocket, girl, it would be perfect, but it's still perfect as it is. Now, the next item in this try on is these colorful pants. They're really cute. I was reading the reviews and sometimes people, I don't know, sometimes what people feel is loose and baggy to them is not what I feel. So I did get these colorful pants in a size 2X and I wish I hadn't. I wish I would have gotten them in a 3X. And I know they do look like they are baggy, and trust me, they are. But because of the fabric, I would prefer them to be in the 3X, so that way none of the fabric clings to me. Pants are made of the fabric that I'm really not a fan of. When it's hot, if you wear fabric like this, your butt is going to sweat and the pants are going to cling to you. So I would probably have to wait until like October to wear these pants, only because I don't want to sweat in them. They are super cute. I love the banding, the black banding all around it, only because it just really helps conceal your problem area, your midsection, if that's what you're worried about. And that was one of the things that I was kind of like on the fence about. The pants do not have any pockets. If they would have had pockets, I probably would have been all the way in, despite the fabric. Because girl, if you're gonna give me something, I'm gonna need something to give. Either you're gonna give me good fabric with no pockets, or I'm gonna get some pockets with bad fabric. Either one has to work for me. But I like the black banding around the midsection because it just gives you that illusion that everything is perfect right there. Plus the ankles, or the cinching of the ankles, the tapered ankles with the elastic, definitely something that I like. I love pants like that. I think every pair of pants that I have for this haul is like that at the ankles, but it just reminds me of like the 80s time period, the 80s era. You know what I'm saying? So if you remember these green pants, I mean, I did get them in red the last try on. So I got them in the green pair in my size, which is a 2X. Now they do have those oversized pockets on the legs, but they don't have any like regular pockets. That's okay and not too okay. I'm not really too concerned about that because I would definitely probably not want to put anything in these pockets. Now I love the asymmetrical front and back because that is definitely taken away from my midsection, because I have one and it's one that I'm not the proudest of, but you know what, I live with it. But I like pants like this or skirts that take away from that thigh area. These pants are very comfortable. They have an elastic waist, and at the ankle there's also elastic, and there's also a workable drawstring. So if you want them tighter than what the elastic can do, like if you want to pull your ankles until they swell up, girl, then you can do so. But I like these pants so much that I had to get them in the green color. There is like a brown color also. Girl, I will get every color in these pants if I have to or if I can. Now, what y'all seen, I did pair it with that same camel toe top, which was the green one with these pants. And I thought it looked actually really, really cute. I love these pants. If you love pants like this, girl, get you a pair. These pants are everything, and I have them in a size 2X. Now, the next item is these brown tie-dye pants. Now, as you guys can see, they are tapered at the ankle as well, and it is elastic. And not only are they elastic, but it does have a flat panel. And not only that, I did size up and get a 3X in these. I should have got a 4X because of the fabric, also because they kind of seem to me like they just fit, but more so the fabric is not the fabric that I like. I don't really care too much for this particular fabric at all because it will make you sweat. And like I said, out here in Arizona, you will get swamp booty. And I paired it with another bag that I also do have from winbagsru. Bag is all leather as well. I thought it looked really, really cute with it. Now, the one thing, like I said, about these pants is the fabric. And please give me some pockets. But I just really feel like these run awful small. And did y'all sew on the wrong sizing tag? Because that size was definitely not giving me 3X look, okay? But it is what it is. I did wear them. It looked cute with the top. But these are something that I wouldn't wear in the summertime only because of the fabric. Now, the last item in this is this rustic color two-piece short set. I did not try it on because when I put it on, it just really didn't look appealing to me at all. It does have pockets in it, and I really wasn't feeling the way the shoulder was sewn onto it. I'm just not a fan of the outfit in general. The fabric is stretchy, which is great. It has an elastic waist, but I just did not like it on me. It kind of made me look a little bit frumpy, and I really wasn't for the frumpy look. But, you know, it wasn't for me. It does come in multiple colors. It just depends on what you like, what your preferences are. I did like the color, but I just didn't like the outfit on me at all. So that is the reason why you did not see me trying it on. So you guys, that's the end of this try on. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to go and relax now. I'm going to sit down and mind my business. If you were interested in anything that I had on in this try on, check the description box for all the links and coupon codes. And if you stay to the end of this video, please leave me a white heart. And if you also can hype up this video for me, it's right next to the share button underneath the screen. I would truly, truly appreciate it. So that way I stay in the algorithm. Girl, listen, YouTube be having me going crazy sometimes. I love you all. Stay diva and divolicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. Be blessed, stay safe, stay motivated, and I will see y'all in the next one.